Picture a medieval stone house in the middle of winter. During a blackout, it turns ice cold within hours. This feels completely backwards, but it isn't. The problem is not that medieval builders were tougher. The problem is that modern houses have forgotten how heat actually works. All of this is designed to slow heat loss, but none of it is designed to hold heat. Your home is a shell, not a battery. Thermal imaging reveals the startling truth. Modern houses leak heat through outlets, windows, doors, framing joints, and even ceilings. Insulation just delays this heat loss, but it can never replace what's truly missing: thermal mass. Stone, earth, brick, and thick would absorb heat slowly and, crucially, release it slowly. This is thermal mass. A medieval wall wasn't just for decoration or defense. It was a heat reservoir. During the day, the heat from the fire, from sunlight, from cooking, and even from body heat would warm the walls. This meant the temperature changed slowly, gradually, not suddenly. Contrast this with our homes today. Modern houses heat up very quickly, but they also cool down just as fast. Medieval homes took a long time to heat up, but they stayed warm for hours, sometimes even days. Fireplaces were not decorative features. They were powerful central heating systems. They were often placed in the middle of the living space, not against an exterior wall, so heat could radiate evenly throughout the room. The smoke would travel through stone and masonry before it escaped, transferring its warmth into the structure instead of wasting it up the chimney. Rooms were also smaller on purpose. Bedrooms were compact to reduce heat loss. Beds were often enclosed with heavy curtains, creating tiny microclimates where body heat could accumulate and keep people warm. Families often slept together, not just out of necessity, but for thermal efficiency. It was a simple, effective way to share warmth and survive the cold. Medieval homes also used vertical design to their advantage. We all know warm air rises. They designed their homes so this natural process would heat the most important areas. The materials themselves were critical. Stone was used for heat storage. Wood provided the structure. Clay and lime plaster were used because they were breathable. This meant the walls could release moisture instead of trapping it, preventing that damp, bone-chilling cold from stealing warmth. Modern homes, on the other hand, trap moisture behind plastic vapor barriers. This trapped moisture actually increases heat loss and makes the air feel colder and more uncomfortable. Unused spaces were simply left cold. They layered their living spaces with tapestries, rugs, and heavy furniture, all of which reduced drafts and added another layer of insulation. Tapestries weren't just for decoration. They created a pocket of dead air between the cold stone walls and the living area. This simple trick dramatically reduced heat loss. In fact, modern studies show that using heavy wall coverings can reduce heat loss by over 30%. Fuel efficiency was also a matter of life and death. It was a low-tech, but highly effective, personal heating system. Now, let's compare all this to modern life. We build massive, open-plan spaces with soaring ceilings. We heat our entire houses to a uniform temperature 24/7. We depend entirely on active, complex systems. And when those systems fail, our comfort collapses instantly. The irony here is painful. Our technology has increased our day-to-day comfort, but it has dramatically reduced our resilience. Thermal mass stabilizes temperature. Smaller spaces retain heat. Centralized heat sources are more efficient. Materials that can breathe keep a space warmer and drier. And human behavior matters. You can apply these principles today. Concrete floors can store heat from the sun. An interior brick or stone wall can act as a thermal battery, stabilizing your home's temperature. Simply closing the doors to unused rooms saves a surprising amount of energy. Medieval builders didn't have sophisticated equations or computer software. They had centuries of trial, error, and survival. If this changed how you see your own home, like the video and subscribe to our channel, because sometimes forgotten knowledge is far more useful than new technology. Thanks for watching.